Hey, welcome to the seventh episode of At Ease No Media. So today's topic of discussion is DAVP. Hope you are liking this series, Media Management. So keep supporting.
Hey and welcome. So today we will be discussing about DAVP and the key points goes like introduction, role, vision statement, reach, services and wings. The Directorate of Advertising and Visual Publicity, DAVP. Let's begin. Introduction. A media unit of the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, which is a media unit of the government organization. It's a government's media unit. And second comes the nodal multimedia advertising agency of the government. That means DAVP is nothing but the government's publicity unit. We all save our own image. Like saving our own image, the government also needs to save the government's image as well. So to save government's image, government have appointed DAVP to do the same for maintaining their image, or rather for the publicity of the government. You might be wondering what's the role of DAVP. So the role of DAVP is to inform and educate the people, just like any media unit. And second, the people of rural and urban areas, both, they will inform the people of rural as well as the people of urban sites. After that, it comes about the policies. It informs about the policies and programs and the messages and the achievements of the government and helps in motivating the public. That means information, education, policies, programs, messages, achievements of the government and helps in motivating the public. The most important thing is that motivation. Moving on to the vision statements of DAVP. DAVP aims at effective dissemination, that means circulation of government policies, to spread the government policies, programs, messages and achievements of multimedia. Same thing. DAVP is nothing but spreading the informations to the public, just like PIB. So PIB is separate government units, DAVP is another government unit. So it maintains fairness and balance for the government's publicity, and lastly it helps to keep pace with the technological upgradations. So DAVP also helps the organization to keep in pace, to keep updated with the technological changes. Now the most important question arises, how to inform the people. Just like any other organizations, DAVP also provides informations with the following steps. That means press advertisement. Press advertisement, as we all know, that putting advertisement into the press, print media. After that, audio visual media into the radio. Then printed materials, the pamphlets and all. And outdoor formats, that means the outdoor advertisings. Exhibitions. Exhibition is also a kind of advertisement. Then comes mass mailing. Mass mailing is nothing but the awareness messages. Stay safe, stay at home, be careful, be safe with electricity, be safe with LPG cylinders. These all are mass mailing for the sake of public awareness. Next comes the services. The services provided by the DAVP. First is the advice central ministers or department. That means DAVP advises the government on publicity matters, that what should you do and what you should not do. You means the government. After that, the next step is the formulation of the media plan strategy. Planning without execution and execution without planning is useless, as we all know. So the government is also no less. The government also have to plan stuffs. So the planning area is also done by the DAVP. It's under a service of the DAVP. Then comes designing. After planning, the designing the product. How to craft the message and to whom to craft the message. The most important part of communication is this. So designing the production and release of publicity material. Soon the product is ready to be delivered, then comes the channel of distribution. That means multimedia publicity. So DAVP is not only limited to print media. It it publishes the message in printed material, outdoor formats, audio visual formats. Thus it's the multimedia publicity. After that comes the distribution of publicity materials, where to distribute it. So these are all the 5 steps taken by the DAVP. So these are the 5 services provided by the DAVP. So coming to the last part, the wings. In order to perform its functions and accomplish its objective, the directorate has headquarters where in New Delhi with several wings like the campaigning wings, the advertising wings, the outdoor publicity wings, the printed publicity wings, because DAVP is all about publicity, right? And then comes the exhibition, copy and language wings, mass mailing wings, audio visual cell and vigilance, lastly the finance wings. So these are all the separate parts by which the DAVP is actually functioning.
Thank you friends for watching this video. Keep supporting.